For yourself, it's very easy to get caught up in what everyone else is doing, especially when you work online. All that noise, expectation and comparison will significantly diminish the bandwidth that you've got available to tap into your intuition and figure out what's right for you. And then you start second guessing and over analysing. Then we find ourselves seeking cookie cutter blueprints and formulas to build our businesses. We scour the internet for step-by-step guides, hoping that someone else's roadmap will lead us to success. We end up spending way too much time in our heads trying to figure stuff out, which disconnects us from our deepest knowing. We make choices driven by logic, not by alignment. But what if I told you that you have an inner compass that will guide you to take action in your own authentic and aligned way, your own personal blueprint for success? No more second guessing, no more relying on others for answers. You have everything you need within you right now to guide yourself, even when the external gets loud. Tap into your inner sat-nav. You need to know your human design type and authority, which is easy and free to do. Head over here and enter your name at birth, place and time of birth, and it will generate your chart that you can download. There's a huge amount that your human design can help you with, but for now, just focus on the top part, in particular your type and authority. When you know your type and authority, let me know in the comments so that I can give you some pointers on how you make decisions so you can take aligned action and stop second guessing yourself.